Hello, this is Mia Seamus, and I hope you will be shine like a star. Today we discuss about the most popular topic is how to earn money, and the second option is the what are the best way to earn money online as a student. The first thing is the most important thing is the sell insurance. Becoming POC point of sale person and selling insurance can be liquidate the part-time job for student as per customer request. Insurance agents who work with an insurance company to sell their insurance products online. What are the requirements? You must have the over 18-year-olds should be complete class 10 and also need to complete a 15 hours compulsory training before going to market. And how much you can earn, your income would be depend upon the number of policy you sales. Thus the more policy you sales, then you generate more income. Can you continue this job? Yes, if you have the aptitude for selling, you can earn the maximum insurance today. Find out more about step requirement and the regulation. The second option is the take a freelancer. If you are someone who good at uh, programming, editing, photographing, dressing, and other skills, you can earn money online as a freelancer. You need to register yourself as a freelance portfolio like Upwork, Fiverr, to Lancer. Then you can start marketing your skills to the potential clients. What are the requirements? As long as you have the marketable skills, you can register or a freelancer portable through. They may require a small fees. How much you can earn? Your income will be based on kind of work and how much have to do. Can you continue this job? Yes, it's based of your skills, ability, qualification, and your entrepreneurship skills. The start 12 training. Students are constantly learning new things. So one of the easiest way to earn money to share some of his knowledge. You can either sign up with the virtual tutorial platform like Udemy, Skillcare, Cushion, and the simply way to you can on social media to friends and relatives surplus to broadcast your online tutorial classes. What are the requirements? There is the very little monetary investment involved. Through you need to brush up on some teaching skills. How much you can earn based on your level of expertise and the subject matter. You can earn up to 200 to $500 per hour. Can you continue this job while tutoring might not be able? Full job. You can either the continue do this part if you show an aptitude for some look into the teaching job and the area of study. Find data entry jobs. Another option for students looking to earn money without investment is data entry job. Since it's offer flexibility, this can be a good option for part-time job. Now we discuss about the how to make money people's per hour. There is the few articles and very excellent idea about to uh, earn money, uh, and further we discuss about the quality and the products. I hope you will be fine, Shine. Thank you much.